Planeteers at home, remember, turn off the faucet between usages and recycle those plastics. Or else, I'll turn you into a fucking tree. Captain Planet, motherfucker.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. Now today I'm going to do a tag created by Krista Bunny, who I'm friends with in like a Discord and just on YouTube in general. And I'll put her link to her channel below the questions. And she is just super nice and super fun. And I'm excited to do this tag. So this is the Eco Beauty tag. Number 1. How do you feel about the haul declutter cycle? Well, if you notice on my channel when I get new stuff, I personally don't like calling shit a haul. I hate that word. I don't know why. I just fucking hate that word. So I say like shit I got or shit, this is my shit. I call it shit because it is shit. But I don't care if anyone else calls it a haul. Call it whatever the fuck you want. But I don't call it a haul just because people get all this shit and then the next video they have is declutter and it's shit they got in this last haul they had. I don't know. I hate the word haul. I like those videos, I guess. I just hate the word haul. But yeah, they're getting a haul. Are they getting a haul? Are you buying stuff just to declutter that stuff? James? You okay? What happened? You what? Okay, don't jump off anything, please. But yeah, it just seems a lot of YouTubers are in a haul declutter cycle. And it's like they buy stuff just so they can declutter it. And I think that's silly and kind of wasteful. And it's a waste of money. Number 2. What do you do with products you end up not liking? Well, if it's a palette or something I don't really like, I'll give it to my sister or some of my friends. Or I'll give it to somebody. If it's a palette, I usually give it away. Well, a palette or something. I don't know. Usually I'll just give it away. But if it's something that I used a couple times and I think I might use it again and I don't know if I really like it, it tends to sit in my makeup drawers because I'm pretty sure that shit should throw itself away or should give itself away because I forget to do it. So it just needs to get up and walk out of my drawers. That would be really fucking helpful. I'm yelling at my makeup. Number 3. Do you have any products that were gifted to you by friends who ended up not liking them? Yeah, my friend Kat came over with a whole bag of makeup one time. Just usually friends that have something makeup that they don't like, they usually end up giving it to me anyway. Because they know I really like makeup. So yeah, I've had a couple of people just give me makeup. What's the biggest waste of packaging you have seen, in your opinion? I can't think of a certain brand because it's pretty much all the brands. But when they send you a big fucking box for a little tiny fucking package, like why do you do that? Why are you wasting all that fucking cardboard? And then when they, like, I get they don't want. What? Pick that up.
No, it's hard finding the fronts. They're hard finding the fronts.
It's hard throwing the sponge?
Yeah.
Well, put the sponge in the sink. It's not a toy sponge.
No, I found the I got back.
Oh.
The back. I got. On the basket, that I thought that I walked down off it. That was the thing called.
Oh, well, go put it in the kitchen, please.
But no.
Why? But yeah, when they have a huge ass box for a little, or like 3 products that would take up not a big ass box. And they fill the box with all that fucking packing shit. And then those little stringy things, because then that shit gets all over my fucking house because my kids think that shit's to play with. So that to me is fucking annoying and a big ass waste. Number 5. Does wasteful packaging deter you from buying a product? Honestly, no, because I forget which company did that shit. And then I'll get it and I'm like, ah, fuck, that's right. I don't like this shit. Because I'm extremely forgetful. I need to start writing it down or something. But I don't. So it doesn't. It should. I should remember that shit. But number 6. What's your favorite plastic-free product in your collection? This is something that Krista had mentioned, and I agree with her because I have 3 of them. The Shop Miss A palettes are super nice, and they're cardboard. They're not plastic, and they're like, this is a large size, and it's the magnet is really strong. And then this one is the small. I need to get a medium, don't I? But that one's a small size. Again, the magnet is super strong, and it's all plastic. They're really nice, and they're really durable. They don't bend or none of that shit. But these are really nice, and they're plastic, or not plastic. They're not plastic. They're cardboard, and they're really nice. And they're pretty cheap. I think this one was like $4, and the large ones are like $7.95, and they fit a shitload of shit in them. Number 7. The most waste-producing product / habit in your routine. Well, oh, it fell on the floor. I use those stupid cotton rounds to take my eye makeup off. And I do like 2 every time I take them off. 1 for each eye. Because I wear a lot of eye makeup. And that, I think I should find a better way to take off my eye makeup. Because that, I use a lot of those little rounds. So that, I would think, is the most wasteful habit product thing that I use. I don't know. I just need to make... No, I'll never wash them. Number 8. The least waste-producing product habit in your routine. Speaking of the little eye makeup remover pads, I make my own eye makeup remover. And I refill this bottle. I have another one, but I had to buy this one because I love that one at my mom's house. But I refill them both. And I have had them for years. So I don't buy any extra eye makeup bottles. That's not wasteful at all, right? And this, if you want to make your own eye makeup remover, I'll link that below. Because this is the best eye makeup remover I have ever used. It's fucking amazing. Number 9. What steps do you think the beauty community... Number 9. What steps do you think the beauty community could take to reduce waste? I think we could find other types of packaging for stuff. Like, besides plastic, at least maybe some more recyclable plastic. Maybe find something else to put pans in. Like eyeshadow, whatever, highlighter pans. And they're metal. Are those recyclable? I don't know. Maybe we should have more information on what's recyclable and what is not recyclable. I think that would help a lot. I never thought of a question. And number 10 is make up your own question. So my question is... My question is, what steps are you going to take to make your beauty routine and beauty waste better? So I think I'm going to start looking into recycling some of the plastics that I use. Definitely giving away more objects rather than let them sit in my makeup shit, because that's a waste. I'm going to try to find better eye makeup remover thing. I'm sure a washcloth or something would be good, but I just haven't done that. I need to do that, get on that and do that. I need to find a better way to use makeup remover wipes. Maybe make your own of those. I know you can cut like t-shirt cloth or whatever cloth and make your own makeup remover wipes. That would be helpful, I think. So just little things that I could do to make my makeup routine or make the world a better place. Although I think big brands also need to fucking work on that shit too. Because I think them making a difference would be way... Not that me making a difference wouldn't help. But big brands making a difference would help a fucking lot more than I would. And I'm tired of them making me feel bad for not doing little things when they could be doing a lot more things too. I think everyone needs to work towards making better decisions and be better consumers. Oh, and Krista said in your video to use your favorite reusable cup. And technically, I know this is not a reusable cup, but I like Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks coffee. Every once in a while, I'll bring my own cup. But when I forget, because I usually get iced shit, I don't have a reusable iced cup. Not in a large. I like large. I like a lot of coffee, okay? But when I get a coffee, like this is from this morning, that's why it's still the plastic straw, because I have metal straws that I use. I'll get rid of this by tomorrow, because I don't like using a plastic straw more than a day. But I will reuse this cup for at least 3 weeks. For a long ass time. I have one McDonald's and one other Dunkin' Donuts cup out there. I'll reuse them. I'll put iced coffee in them that I make. I'll put cold brew that I make. I'll put water in them. I drink coffee and water, so that's all I'd ever put in them. But I rinse them out and I reuse this cup so many times. So to me, that makes it a reusable cup. So if you're watching this and you want to do this tag, I tag you. The questions and her original video will be below in my description box. And if you do it, make sure you show your reusable cup. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.